Hi everyone, Tim Brown. Welcome back to my Apple Podcast, the podcast that makes a personal connection to everything Apple. For this episode, I want to cover MacOS Sierra. That is going to be the new operating system for the desktop, that is for your Mac. And Apple, of course, has gotten into the routine of offering the option for users to test out the beta versions of the operating system. So I'm actually doing that for iOS 10 and for MacOS Sierra. And I fooled around with iOS 10, love it. I'm just getting used to Sierra, and there, of course, are going to be some really cool features, including desktop and documents folders in the cloud. There's another feature called Universal Clipboard, where you can copy and paste items from your Mac to your iPhone or vice versa. A lot of cool features like that, but the most significant one is Siri integration. So the question is, can you get used to talking to your Mac as a personal assistant? So let me just test it out and see how it works. Of course, Siri gets better over time, but the beta version really isn't that bad. I have a whole list of questions that I'm going to try, so let's get to it. So there are various options for shortcut commands to bring up Siri. I use the one by default where you press and hold Option and space bar, and then Siri will appear. So let's issue the first command. Siri, open Safari. So that command is pretty straightforward, and what you're going to find throughout the Siri experience is that Siri will pretty much open any application you have on your computer. Siri, open Safari and take me to Apple's website. Siri, take me to the website myapplepodcast.com. Siri, open a new Finder window.
Here you go.
Siri, search for a file called Aquarium in the Movies folder.
You have one file matching Aquarium in your Movies folder.
Siri, open a file called Aquarium in the Movies folder.
Here you go.
Siri, open a file called Sergeant Painting.
Here's what I got.
Siri, open the Photos app. Siri, open the iCloud Drive folder.
Okay, here is your iCloud Drive.
Siri, open Mission Control. Siri, open Launchpad. Siri, send a new email to Suzette.
You have two email addresses for contacts named Suzette Jelinek. Which one should I use? What's the subject of your email?
Coming home.
What would you like your email to say?
I will be home in 10 minutes.
Here's your message to Suzette Jelinek. Ready to send it?
Yes.
Okay, I'll send it.
Siri, I need directions to the Cincinnati Art Museum.
Getting directions to Cincinnati Museum of Art.
Siri, I need walking directions to the Cincinnati Museum of Art.
Getting walking directions to Cincinnati Museum of Art.
Siri, open System Preferences. Siri, search for Hillary Clinton on Wikipedia.
Here is what I found.
Siri, open iTunes. Siri, open iTunes and take me to Beats One Radio. Siri, play the song Hello by Adele.
Hello.
Siri, open the note titled Division Heads.
I found these notes.
Siri, can you log me out of my computer?
Who, me?
So obviously there's some things that Siri cannot do. Siri, where is the closest Starbucks?
Here's what I found.
Siri, close all applications.
As much as I would like to, I can't close apps.
One more thing that Siri cannot do, but still not bad. So that is Siri for MacOS Sierra. It's still in the beta stage, of course, but so far it pretty much follows most of the basic commands that you would use on your computer. Obviously, anything that has a multi-level kind of function will not work, at least not right now. But Siri works pretty good. Lot of things to look forward to with macOS Sierra, but mainly Siri integration is going to be, I think, the key component. My name is Tim Brown. Thanks for tuning in for another episode of My Apple Podcast. Check me out next time.